Welcome to the Addiction Recovery Channel. I'm Ed Baker and I'm your host. I'm very happy today to introduce you to Theresa Vezina. Theresa has a very important message for all of us. Thank you, Theresa, for being on the show.
Thank you, Ed, for having me. Nice to be back in the studio with you. I am here today to share a very important message with you all. I am currently serving at the Mayor's Office as the Special Assistant on Overdose Prevention Implementation here in Burlington. We've been working on this project for many months now, and it's exciting to share the announcement that we're kicking off a series of community events, beginning with one coming right up on November 6th. It's going to be at 6 p.m. To 7:30 p.m. We are hosting this event in partnership with Vermonters for Criminal Justice Reform, who is the selected overdose prevention operator that we'll be working with. At this special event on November 6th, we will have nationally acclaimed panelists and local speakers. Dr. Brandon Marshall from Brown University will be joining us, and he will be providing data, the most latest information coming from overdose prevention work and centers across the nation, as well as internationally. Dr. Marshall has been doing this work, Ed, since the early 2000s, and
right.
you know Dr. Marshall very well. Right. He's been here to Vermont many times, so we're very lucky to have him back here again for this event, as well as the Deputy Director, Ashley Perry, of Project Weber Renew in Rhode Island. Rhode Island is the nation's very first state-sanctioned overdose prevention center in our country. Mm-hmm. And so we're lucky to have Ashley Perry joining us, and she'll be able to share firsthand what's been going on at the OPC in Rhode Island. It'll be very similar to the program that we'll launch here in Burlington. And then many of us know Jess Kirby, our very own Jess Kirby from VCJR. Jess will be on the panel, and she'll be here speaking from her personal lived experience, but also as a professional in harm reduction and recovery. Jess has been doing this work for a very long time, along with Tom Dalton, and the two of them have decades of combined experience. So we're really lucky to have them here for this event as well. I think the other thing I really want to talk about, Ed, is that this also marks a very special day. We've talked a lot about this Overdose Prevention Center service assessment as one of the very first things that we'll do in preparing for the OPC here in Burlington. So we'll be launching our community survey the night of the event as well. So folks, this is an opportunity for you to be able to share your perspectives, your priorities, your experiences, and help us to inform what kind of approaches we'll take as we implement this very important life-saving project here in Burlington. So we're really excited to bring that to the audience then as well. I want to make sure I share that there are a couple of different ways to participate in the event. Yeah. So there is a Zoom link to register for the event, and that registration link is going to be available here on screen and in the chat. So folks, if you want to be a part of the live webinar where you're going to be able to ask questions of our expert panelist, you'll want to go ahead and register for that event. After the event, it will also be provided as a recording. And thank you to CCTV and Ed here at the Addiction Recovery Channel. It will also be live streamed, and Ed will talk a little bit more about how you'll be able to access that at the end of the segment here. So Ed, do you have any questions for me?
No, just a great big thank you to you and your team and the many partners who have been leading up to this historical public health innovation in Burlington, our wonderful Queen City. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Well, we'll hope to see everybody on November 6th, 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. We really hope that you'll join us. Whether you're ready to know, whether you already know about overdose prevention centers or you're new to this conversation, your voice matters, and we really hope to see you there. Thank you so much, Ed.
Yeah, thank you, Theresa, and again, your team also. So if you prefer just to watch and you can't register for the event, there's no registration needed. You can watch it right here. It will be live streamed on Town Meeting TV's YouTube channel and live on cable on Burlington Telecom channel 217 or Comcast channel 1087. That's Telecom channel 217 or Comcast channel 1087. Please, this is very important. Thank you, Theresa, and we'll look forward to seeing you all at the event.